boo, hey, it's your girl Kiki back with another video. So right now I'm just going to be creating some leg warmers and two different headbands out of this old sweater that I have. So first I'm just laying it down. I'm gonna straighten it out and then I'm gonna start cutting. So yeah, this is just an old sweater I had in my closet and I wanted to put it to use. It's a pretty color and I thought leg warmers would be cute to create with it. So right now I'm about to just cut the bottom portion of the sweater to make my first headband. I gotta get me some new stuff, some new I think my scissors is kind of dull, y'all. Some new fabric scissors, but it got the job done. But I'm just cutting along. And this is super easy. It's super simple, quick DIY too. So if you got like old sweaters and stuff like that, you could do this in a matter of minutes. But I cut my first part. And so I have this cute little piece I'm going to put to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and move on to cutting out my second headband idea that I had. And I do have a pattern for this second headband. I think it's a simplicity pattern headband that I used. So I'm going to go ahead and place that on the sweater, and I'm going to cut it out 2 times, which makes 4 pieces. Right here, I'm just measuring my head to see what size I wanted to do. And then go ahead and cut that out. Okay, so right here, I'm just using my seam ripper to rip the sleeves for the leg warmers, excuse me. Okay, so this is how they look after I seam ripped them. I'm just laying them down. And can y'all see the vision? I hope y'all see the vision. So now I'm gonna go to my sewing machine and go ahead and sew the headband pieces together. So stay tuned.
Some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel, you ain't the cause.